Oh, are you looking for fun stuff?
This is
my little
Mr. Beefy and Daddy. Human
He's
Daddy.
Like, what is this mystery smell? Wow.
Exactly what his mama did.
Oh,
Give kisses? Give him kisses. He's like,
he's busy
nope.
melting.
Oh. Oh, I got a butt.
Oops.
Oh, look, he's got little goosebumps.
Oh, you got little goosebumps.
He gets them every time we pet him. Oh, look, he's got that extra nipple his mama's got.
Oh, I get those mooches.
Oh, you give him kisses.
Look at these little piri. Oh, you like a massage too?
Just like his daddy. Just like a little hippo.
And a cute little snoot. Yes.
I got you.
A cute little snoot.
I got you.
I could bury his head in my hand. He's like, you are a good pillow daddy.
Wow, the goosebumps. It's a stretchy baby. It's a stretchy baby. Ooh.
Your mom was probably saying that. That's funny.
I doubt it.
Well, you probably distracted her with enough food. You rented you from her. Oh, cost us with some
Here's the other Piri. Piri.
In the big old belly.
Oh, look at that belly.
Oh, that is.
Look at her arm, babe. That belly.
Oh.
He's not even a month old. Yeah, you're not even a month old.
Stretchy.
On the 24th, he'll be a month old.
He loves itchies just like his mom does.
Mm-hmm. And stop touching him for a moment and watch what happens. Hey, Mr. Beefy. Mr. Beefy. He's like, hey. Oh, I got you. I got it. I got it. Nom.
Oh, my adorable little Beefy.